Hi, welcome to tip 24 of 31. This one's quite easy. It's just simply go and learn a tool called Canva. Canva is a cloud-based image editing tool. There's a paid version of it, but we use the free version. I'd recommend you go and sign up for that. So Canva lets you create nice graphics and nice images for posting out on multiple different channels. So nice images for your posts for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, but also things like email headers. You can also create business cards, flyers, infographics, video covers, a whole host of things with it. So recommend you go and use that. It will certainly improve your social media posting from just text-based posts to nice image-based posts, and we know that images are interpreted a lot faster. Recommending you go and learn it because there are some good resources out there to learn it to make it quite easy. So Canva itself currently has over 50 individual video tutorials on it from beginner level right through to advanced. And it also has a design school, which is free to access, and it's multiple courses, each with multiple modules. So if you want to improve the content you're putting out on social media and different places, go and learn a tool called Canva, get used to using it, play around with it and create your own images.